Hello, my friends. I hope you're doing well. Today, I have a new and fresh video for you that I'm going to be reviewing some of the items that I got from the See New York collection. I know I said many times I was not going to get anything from it. And to be honest, most of the collection didn't feel appealing to me, even though it's beautiful. It's just not my style, but we're going to talk about it in a minute. But I decided to go and check two new shirts that they had that the print was just so cute and I had to try and share with you. I got a lot of questions, so it made sense to at least try them on and see how it would feel like in person. Sometimes it can be really different when you see in person, right? But before we get into today's video, I want to share with you this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous piece that I got here. Actually, four beautiful pieces that I got from PDPAOLA, and I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. They're really kind and let me choose four jewelry pieces from their website, which are absolutely stunning. Actually, the first one is this beautiful leather necklace, which is their best selling. It's just so dainty, so stunning. I love how delicate this is. It is in 925 sterling silver and gold plating. And the other piece was this gorgeous earring, which I think is so pretty. It's just a hoop, but it has those details, and I'm going to share all the close-ups with you. But first, I wanted to show you the little pouch that this came in, which is so cute and so useful. You can totally use that as a travel bag, just like in your luggage, and like a cosmetic bags, or just to put your own jewelry and make sure everything is safe. So it came in those two beautiful cases. I got four pieces and I chose all four pieces, which I think is really nice because they let me pick what I like and what actually goes with my style. So it has the logo on the front. It's just so nice, especially if you want to give this as a gift. I think it's going to be a wonderful gift. So I chose the leather necklace and the earrings, and I also picked this clip like chain necklace. This is so in right now, and I've seen a lot of people wearing it, so I really wanted to try. I think this will look gorgeous with a blazer, especially if you're wearing something like solid. I just feel like it adds a really nice texture. I'm going to show you so you can see all the details. But here it is, the close up. So it's a simple style, which you guys know that I prefer. I don't like too much stuff going on. I think this is just so good and so pretty. This is what it looks like. And the other piece that I got and I chose was the snake necklace. This one I am so excited to wear because I love the style. I just feel like this is the perfect necklace, to add a little bit of shine and a little bit of a chic um element to your outfit. I just think it's so beautiful. And like I feel when I am tan, it looks even better on me because it has this little, contrast. I just love being tan. I can't wait for spring and summer. So they are really beautiful. I cannot wait to wear them. And I'm just super excited. I'm going to be sharing my discount code with you. They have so many beautiful options. They have earrings, bracelets, necklaces, everything that you can think of in many styles, many colors, and I just love the entire website. I am definitely going to get a few new pieces for me because I am working on getting more jewelry. I feel like jewelry is just so good when you want to spice up an outfit and you don't necessarily have to just buy new clothes. Sometimes just having the right piece of jewelry makes your outfit completely different, and I love that about it. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know which one was your favorite. I'm going to be sharing all the details in the description box below. And don't forget to use my code so you can take advantage of this nice discount they're offering. So thank you so much, PD Paula. I really love everything that I got. I can't wait to wear them. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the pieces from the See New York collection. This bag came in my box, and I think it's just so nice. I've been collecting these for a while now with Suzanne. Do you guys wear your totes? Or what do you do with it? I've seen some people actually crafting, like doing other projects with them, and I think it's just so good. The first piece I want to share is this Chloe shirt. I sized up for this one as this was their recommendation. So I got this one in 38 or size 6, and I usually wear 4 for Chloe's. I have reviews on my silk ones, so if you guys want to take a look, I'm linking it here so you can see the difference. And I'm also comparing sizing. They're almost the same size. The only difference that I actually really saw was the sleeve length. So this one is longer than my Chloe, the ones that I own. But other than that, the sizing is the same. So I'm not sure why, but the 36 and the 38, they're very similar depending on the fabric. So this one is 100% viscose, and I know it's not a fabric that I see a lot on SEZANE website, but I feel like they chose this to make it flowy. I don't think the cotton or maybe some other materials like linen, they would have give this nice flowy vibe, and I think that's exactly what they wanted to do with it, and that's probably why they used viscose. It has this beautiful lace detail here, and of course this beautiful drape color, which is the signature of our Chloe shirts. As you guys know, the sleeves are puffy, but not like too crazy puffy. And it has the buttons here, and I think the style is really pretty. I don't think I'm keeping this one. I just didn't feel 100% on me. I don't know if it's the print. I don't know if it's the style. I don't know if it's the lace. I love the shirt. I just didn't feel like 100% sure on me. So this one, it's probably going back. And the next one, it's another Chloe shirt, but in this beautiful ecru and pink. I really wanted to try this one. Like when I saw on the website, I thought it was beautiful. It feels like a vintage piece, just very unique. And I love this ecru background. It's not white. You can see against my wall, which is almost white. Like this is white, and you can see it's definitely more of a pale yellow, like a creamy color, which is just so gorgeous. And you guys know that I'm not a huge fan of pink, but for some reason I was really drawn to this one. I just love how this is. It's more like a lavender pink, not like a super super pink. This is what the sleeves look like. I got this one in my usual size, which is 36 or size 4 US. And I feel like this one is actually great. Does not feel too big or too small. It's just the perfect size and very comfortable. This one is 100% cotton, so I would say it's worth the money because of the detail, the style, and the fabric. I think everything combined just makes a very special piece. I really love this one. The only problem for me is that I really need the right makeup, otherwise this really washes me out. But I am curious to hear from you what you think. Do you think I should keep this one? I am not sure. I don't know if this is great on my skin tone. Like I said, I really have to wear the right makeup, otherwise it doesn't work. I'm actually planning to do my color analysis, so I'm super excited about that, and I'm definitely going to share with you guys. The next shirt that I got is the Mariana shirt, which as of now it's actually sold out, but I'm sure and I'm hoping that they're going to be back in stock very soon because that's a really good one. This is also from the C New York collection, and I got this one in my usual size, which is a 36. This one is more see-through than all of the other ones. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like this, so you can see like my finger right here. So it's a very lightweight fabric. I wouldn't say I can wear this in the early spring because it's going to be way too cold unless you have a jacket or a cardigan on the top of it or maybe something underneath. But I just feel like this is the perfect summer shirt, like for cooler days, for warmer days, and it's just really beautiful. I heard from some people that they felt that the sleeves, like the shoulder area, was too bulky on them. I did not feel that on me, and I do have broad shoulders. So I think it's something that you really have to try on and see because that's tricky to tell. Like it didn't feel on me, but I heard some other people and I saw on other people that actually did feel a little too overwhelming. So something to consider in case you're not sure. And one thing that's interesting is the collar. It just goes all the way up, really all the way up here. And it kind of closes on its own. It doesn't keep opening. So I like to open my buttons. I just feel like it looks nicer on me. This one is very lightweight. It's cotton, so it's very easy to tuck in. I don't feel like it's bulky anywhere. Overall, I just really love this one. I think from all the three shirts, this is my favorite. And it's also not a color I would normally pick because it's a little too bright for what I like. But somehow this blue, this combination of blues, it just, I liked it on me. Like I feel like this color is nice on me. And I usually don't pick that, but I love this with jeans, with white, I think it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful piece. And the last one I want to review is the Gary jumper, which I have one in navy. You guys have seen so many times. And I love my Gary. It's just one of my favorite knits. I love how it fits. I love how it feels. I love everything about it, especially the navy one I have because of the buttons. I think it's such a beautiful detail. I did hear some people say that their button tarnished. So this has not happened to me, but I'm curious to hear from you guys if you have the Trudy jumper, the Gary jumper. Did you have a problem with the buttons? Because I have washed mine and they still look like new. I have no problem at all whatsoever. This is what it looks like. It's a shiny but like hammer kind of button. I really like the Ecru creamy beige background. Like I really love this color. It feels so nice. I'm gonna put against white so you can see. And this is navy. I know it's coming out a little bit like black, but it's actually navy. So this I got in my usual size. They say to, if you're in between sizes, you should get the smaller one, but I felt like the small was perfect on me. I don't think the extra small would have been great, especially on the sleeves. It would definitely have been too short for me. So I love the style. I'm not sure if I'm keeping this one because I do have a lot of knits, and at this point, I really just want to keep what I absolutely love, and I'm 100% sure, 1,000% sure that I am going to wear. I do not want to see my knits or anything that I purchase just on a shelf. I want to make sure that I wear them and I give them all the love they deserve. So I really love this Gary. What do you guys think? Do you like this style? I love striped. I think striped fabric is just something very classic, doesn't go out of style. You can really spice up an outfit by adding stripes because it adds interest and it's just so pretty. I love it. I think it's very classic. And just this texture is really good too. So I think the Gary jumper is a great piece. I just have to try styling with other pants to make sure that I can wear this enough. And that's how I do usually now, at least when I get something new. I have to try that with several bottoms, like if it's a shirt, and make sure that I'm going to wear this enough. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know also about the jewelry, how you like the PDPAOLA jewelry that I'm wearing, the ones that I shared in the beginning of the video. Don't forget to use my discount code. I'm leaving it in the description box below and also here on the screen. And let me know what you get. I'm really excited about all these pieces and also the jewelry. They're so beautiful and I really cannot wait to wear them. Thank you so much for watching. My Instagram is Mila in New York, and I really hope to see you there and in my next video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.